In the sacred hermitage of Seg Jamadagni and Devi Renuka, a child was born, not an ordinary child, but a destiny written by the gods themselves. He was named Ram Bhadra, but the world did not yet know that this child carried within him the divine purpose of Lord Vishnu's sixth avatar. An avatar who would rise when arrogance ruled kings and dharma cried for protection. Rambhadra did not grow in palaces, he grew in discipline. Under the guidance of his father Jamadagni, he mastered the Vedas, austerity, and the path of dharma. From his mother Renuka, he learned compassion, patience, and humility. But beneath the calm of a sage, a storm was slowly awakening. Because far beyond the forests, powerful kings had begun to abuse their strength, and the balance of dharma was beginning to break. To restore balance, Rambhadra turned to intense tapasya. Years passed, seasons changed, mountains trembled with the fire of his penance, and finally, Lord Shiva appeared. Pleased with Rambhadra's devotion, Mahadev decided to gift him a weapon. The weapon that would change history forever.
अपनी शिक्षा सफलतापूर्वक संपन्न करने के लिए मैं तुम्हें ये परशु प्रदान करता हूं, जो आज के बाद तुम्हारी पहचान बनेगा।
The divine axe, Vidyudhavi Parshu. The moment Rambhadra held the axe of Shiva in his hands, Rambhadra was no more. From the moment, the world would know him as Parshuram, the warrior sage, the destroyer of arrogance, the sixth avatar of Lord Vishnu. But destiny did not wait long. While Parshuram was away, the arrogant King Kratvirya Arjun, the mighty Sahasrabahu, stormed the heritage of Jamadagni. Blinded by power, he seized the divine Kamdhenu and insulted the sage. When Parshuram returned and learned what had happened, silence fell. But within that silence, a storm had begun. With Vidyudhavi Parshu resting on his shoulder, Parshuram began to walk toward the kingdom of Sahasrabahu.
धर्म को चुनौती देने वाले राजा, तूने एक ऋषि का अपमान किया है। अब तेरा सामना सिर्फ जमदग्नि के शास्त्र पारंगत पुत्र से नहीं, शस्त्रधारी विष्णु के छठे अवतार महादेव के शिष्य परशुराम से है।
One carried the pride of 1,000 arms. The other carried the wrath of Dharma itself. The king, who believed no warrior could defeat him, was about to face a power he had never imagined.